Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I just quickly wanted to say that I am super grateful to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. It really does mean a lot to me. I am in awe of where my channel has grown to. It is just amazing, and I'm truly thankful and grateful, and just, you don't even know. So I did want to remind you guys that once I hit 800 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway here on my channel. I am super excited to do that giveaway. I'm still collecting things. It might be a little after 800 subscribers, but I am super excited to do that giveaway. And I've been kind of collecting things here and there for you guys, and I'm really hoping that you're going to enjoy it. So with that being said, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial collaboration with BeatbyVela. If you guys have not checked her channel out, I highly recommend checking her channel out after this video because she is an amazing makeup artist. I am always in awe of her looks. Her blending skills are just so amazing, and I really think that everyone should go check out her channel. I do not know how she does not have more subscribers. She is very good at creating makeup looks and very talented, and I am just always in awe. I love watching her makeup tutorials. I love seeing how she applies makeup. She's actually taught me a lot of things. I'm still learning. I'm not the best makeup application person in the world, but if I can learn some new tips and tricks, I definitely am going to. And she is somebody who has definitely taught me a lot about blending eyeshadows. I seriously could watch her channel all day long and just tutorials because she is that good. Well, we are doing specific colors. We are doing orange and pink. I have no idea what Vela is going to do. I don't have any idea of what I'm going to do, so we're going to see how this goes. I do have an idea kind of in my mind of how I want it to look. We will see if it comes to fruition because, you know, it's makeup. Sometimes it goes the way you want it to, sometimes it doesn't. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm using is my LA Girl Pro Concealer. As always, I use this as my eyeshadow primer. I really do like this as an eyeshadow primer. I don't really like it as an all-over face concealer. I just find it works so much better as my eyeshadow primer. Have you guys ever used it as an eyeshadow primer? I don't know. I'm just a fan of concealers as eyeshadow primers. Anyway, we're done with that topic. So yes, I'm just applying that all over my lid and above my crease and everything a little bit. And then I use my horribly dirty sponge as a way to buff it out. Then we're going into the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and we are using the shade Conch to set that concealer all over my lid because yes, it needs to be set. So we're doing that. We're making it work. It's happening. I love using that shade to set my eyeshadow primer, so I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of it, but we'll figure it out. Then I'm going to go into my Karity Matte 21 Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Cancun. It is this very bright kind of peachy pink color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Just blend that all in there. And yeah, I had this whole idea for like a pinky orange look, and I've been wanting to do it, and I just decided that Vela and I needed to do a collab, and so here we are. My dreams are coming true. Then I'm going to take the shade Lumbia in that same Karity palette, and I am going to put that right into my crease and just, oh, look at that pink. It is so pretty. I love this palette, you guys. I'm obsessed. You know it. I'm thinking of doing a series of like 3 looks, 1 palette. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down below. I know not everyone is into tutorials, but I kind of like those series and I kind of want to do it. So let me know your thoughts on that. Just kind of blending that in, making sure it is evenly blended throughout. It's just taking some time here. Then I'm going to go back in with that brush that had the shade Cancun on it, and I'm just going to run that across the top and really make sure that everything is blended and that the edges aren't harsh or anything up there. Now I'm going into the shade Vegas in that same Karity palette, and I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush to do my outer V and go into my crease slightly and kind of make a nice gradient from the pink to the orange. Oh, it's just so good, you guys. If you haven't tried like pink orange eyeshadow combos, I highly recommend it. I am in love. You don't even know. You don't even know, people. But yes, it is a favorite of mine, and I just think it's pretty. And the whole focus here, just so you know, is to really blend everything together because it is going to take some time. So I go back in with that brush that has the shade Cancun, and I'm just blending, 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 blending. Oh, it takes so long. Going back in with the shade Vegas. I want each color to kind of have its moment, but I also want to make sure that it's blended. Now we're going into my BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic Palette, and we're using the shade Venus. Now I want to make sure you guys know either you need a sticky base on your eyes or you need to wet these shadows to get them to work and to be really pigmented and to really pop on your eye. And in a minute, you're going to see where I forgot that, and I started to, yep, right here. Right here's where I forgot it. Oh, you gotta spray them, trust me. Or you gotta put a sticky base of some kind, like the NYX Jumbo Pencil or a glitter glue to really just make that pop effect. I like this orange because it's a little lighter than the shade Vegas, and it just makes everything go together. Now I'm just going through and blending everything again. I just really want it to be seamless. I'm going back in with the shade Lumbia here and just lightly blending it. I don't want to make it like a harsh line of pink, but I do want that pink to still be there because it's so pretty. Now I'm going in with my Ciate London eyeliner here. It's the Fierce Flicks eyeliner, and I'm just doing a line. I didn't really want a wing with this look. I don't think it needs it with the blown out eyeshadow kind of look here. So yes. And eyeliner sometimes takes me forever to do, and I just thought I would show you guys just how long it takes sometimes. Now on this eye, I kind of do a thicker line than I want to. That part of my eye, for some reason, it's just always so sensitive to whatever I put on it, and I tend to flinch. So I always have to go back and fix the other eye to make sure that it is as even as possible. Hashtag my problems. But it ends up working out. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. I've been really liking this mascara a lot lately and been using it in a lot of my looks. I'm going to hopefully use this mascara up before it goes bad. Wish me luck. We can do this. Okay, so I'm going to step off camera really quick and do my face. Then we are going to finish my eyes and do a lip, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. We are going to go ahead and do the rest of my eyes and my lips. I am going to have everything I used down for my face products listed down below, as well as the eyes and all of that, so that you guys can find what I used. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go into my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm going to use the shade Pearl just to highlight my brow bone. We're going to go ahead and do that. I think it does a very nice job of highlighting my brow bone, and I've been trying to figure out what to use this shade for because, as you know, I am project panning this palette, and it has been a struggle. Especially like some of these shades that I just don't use for whatever reason. You know how it goes. Then we're going to go into my Karity matte palette here, my matte eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that hot pink shade Lumbia and we're going to run that underneath my lower lash line. Not really feeling like putting any eyeliner down there, so. Also, if any of you guys know of like a hot pink eyeliner, leave it down below, like hot pink. Because I'm in need of one. I just think it would be so cool. So cool to have a hot pink eyeliner. And I'd probably rock it all the time. Bonus points if it's liquid. Okay. So, going to quickly take my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I like to use this because the brush is small for my bottom lashes. Then we are going to go into my Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette. I'm actually going to take the shade Illusion, and that is going to be going in my inner corner. I'm going to take this brush here, and the fun thing about this is it actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it like switches to like this blue kind of purple. And I just thought it would be cool with this. I know I'm supposed to be doing all pink, but the moment I thought about doing this look, I was like, oh, I need that in my inner corner. Just because it looks so cool! It does! And then for my lip, we are going to go with the ColourPop My Little Pony collection. This is the shade Pinwheel, and it's their Ultra Matte Lip. Now, if you guys don't know, anytime I wear an ultra matte lip, I put on some lip balm underneath because my lips dry out. Look at that color. It's so pretty. I very, very much like this whole look. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Also, please go check out Vela's channel. I am so excited to see what she comes up with and how she rocks this pink and orange combo. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys again, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and